Hi children, today I want to give the summary of Gubbare par Cheetah. Let's move on to the lesson Gubbare par Cheetah. This lesson was written by famous writer Premchand. This story is all about despite restricting by his headmaster. There he got stuck in a big problem. He saw that one tiger is coming to him, and in order to save their life, he sat in the hot air balloon, which starts flying, gets out of this problem after struggling a lot. All in all, this story teaches us that we should follow the advice of our elders. I will go, even if you don't come. Baldev advises all his friends to go to the circus. There was a circus in the village nearby the school. Its posters were posted on the walls over the town. Wild animals would be doing strange things in the circus. All kids were anxious to get there. The first show starts tonight, but the headmaster said to not go. The announcement is as follows: the Bombay circus you have been waiting for has arrived. You will never see or hear something like this. Come and enjoy the bliss. All children opened books, but they were talking about the happenings in the circus. They are imagining that the goat and tiger are drinking water in the same bowl. The elephant is riding a bicycle. Parrot fires pistol. The chipmunk doing clockworks. Baldev sits back, draws a line figure in a math book, thinking that tomorrow will be better if it will be a Sunday rather than a Saturday. Baldev amassed money with great difficulty. He's thinking how nice it would be if tomorrow is a holiday. He got angry when he heard teacher's order. He came out as soon as the break was given and came onto the playground. No one was even prepared to go with Baldev. Baldev is stubborn. On Saturday, everyone went to play football with the master. Baldev slipped away silently towards the circus side and bought a ticket with Anand to see the animals. Baldev was very angry when he saw the animals there because that lion looked like that it had malaria fever from so many days. Tiger can jump very high, but here the tiger can't, as if someone drank the tiger's blood. Tiger was lying like a corpse. The bear, it looks like a pig. It doesn't have an eye. A dog has only three legs. He thought to himself and laughed. I saw a dog without a tail before, but seeing a dog without a leg for the first time. I gave up the game and came to circus unnecessarily, and I lost my money too. There was a man yelling, come on, climb this hot air balloon and enjoy. Looking to the other side and stunned to hear the shout of leopard. Everything he saw was trembling with fear of dying. The leopard ran towards the balloon. Whoever grabbed the balloon rope left the rope and ran away. Baldev climbed inside the basket. Whenever the balloon flew up, the leopard also grabbed the basket belonging to the balloon. Baldev and leopard both started jumping up. The balloon went up high. Baldev looks down and everyone is screaming to save him. Leopard fears for his life and fell down. Leopard's bones were broken when it fell to the ground and died. So Baldev now fears as to where the balloon was going. The balloon inflated. He suddenly remembered what he once read in the book. Opening the neck of the balloon would release the gas, causing the balloon to fall down. But he didn't know that it has to be opened very slowly and not at once. He opened it suddenly and the balloon started falling down. Then he looked down and he realized that there is a river. Then he left the rope, jumped into the river, and came out swimming. So, children, what is the moral of the story? You should always obey elders, listen to them, and shouldn't go alone anywhere. Otherwise, you have to face the consequences like Baldev. That's why think thoroughly before you do anything. Children, I hope you understood this lesson. We shall meet in the next video.